My name is Bharat sir. I'm studying 10th class. I'm from JPHS Kontrapol, Damarchila Mandala. My topic is cycle washing machine. My guide teacher is Anand sir. My exhibition number is 121. Plus this scientific involved muscular energy convert into mechanical energy. First of all, you applying pedal process. After convert two bearings applying. After rotated, sometimes washing clothes. After two types of use, washing and plus fit test and decrease electricity. This process. After water out wastage water, the pipeline outlet.